Okay, Algebra 2 students, we are doing a warm-up to review for your Unit 5 test. Look at your first graph. From the V shape, you should be able to tell this is an absolute value graph. Your vertex would normally be at 0, 0. And you moved your vertex right 1 and down 4. So right 1 is happening to the x, and anything that happens to the x happens inversely. So inside your absolute value, you're going to need an x minus 1. Then down 4, that's happening to your y, so that happens outside the absolute value, and that's a minus 4. Now you need to see if your V shape has been stretched at all. Normally, you would start from the vertex and go over 1 and up 1. But in this case, you've gone over 1 and up 2. So you need to stretch your absolute value graph by 2. Put the 2 in front, and then find your matching answer. There are two answers that look close, B and C. The difference is that C has a negative in front, which would make your absolute value open down. So we're going to choose choice B. In your second graph, you have a quadratic equation, you know, because of the parabola shape. So we're going to look at your parabola. Your parabola has moved right 2 and up 1. So the right 2 is happening to the x. So this time, inside your squared parentheses, you're going to have an x minus 2 to move to the right 2. And then to move up 1, the plus 1 happens outside. Your parabola does not seem to have a stretch because from the vertex it's going over 1, down 1, and over 2, down 4, as you would expect. Over 1, down 1, over 2, down 4. But the fact that it's opening down means that you should have a negative in front. You can see that your parabola is dashed, and it's dashed because we're not including the parabola. So you need to have a less than or a greater than without an equal sign on it to show that we're not including the parabola. And because we've shaded below the parabola, we need the values that are less than. So we're looking for less than negative x minus 2 squared plus 1. So I'm looking, and it looks like it might be choice B. Okay, let's look at your factoring problems. When you see 4 terms, you want to try factoring by grouping. So you're going to split them in half and factor the greatest common factor out of the first 2. 2 and 5 don't have a common factor, so what we're going to do is take out x squared because the first 2 terms have at least x squared. X squared times what gives you 2x to the third? I need a 2, and I need another x. X squared times what gives me 5x squared? I just need the 5. In the second set, they do not both have x, and they don't have a common factor, but they do both have a negative, so I'm going to factor out a negative 1. And then I have 2x plus 5. So when the inside parentheses match, that's one of your factors, 2x plus 5. And then 2x plus 5 is being multiplied by x squared, and also by minus 1. Now when one of your factors is the difference of squares, you have to do one more step. So I need to take the x squared minus 1, and I have to remember that a squared minus b squared is a minus b times a plus b. That's your difference of squares pattern, and you need to remember that one. So I can rewrite the x squared, well, it's still x squared, and 1 is the square of 1. So that means that my a is 1 and my b is, my a is x and my b is 1. So my first factor is still 2x plus 5. And then I'm going to factor my difference of squares as x minus 1 times x plus 1. Okay. The next problem is purely a difference of squares problem. So I'm going to use the same pattern. X squared is still fine as x squared, but I need to rewrite 16y squared. So I have x squared minus, and I want to write 16 as the square of another number. So that's going to be the square of 4. 4 squared is 16. So my a is x, and my b is 4y. So instead of a minus b, I write x minus 4y. And instead of a plus b, I write x plus 4y. That was done. The third one is the difference of cubes. And difference of cubes is another pattern you need to remember. It's very close to the sum of cubes pattern, but they have small differences. So a cubed minus b cubed is a minus b times a squared plus AB plus B squared. Your teacher may have taught you SOPs to help you remember this pattern because the A minus B matches the minus in the first part. And then you have squared, opposite, always positive, and squared again. So I need to figure out what number to the third power is 8, and it's 2. 2 to the third power is 8. So I rewrite this as the cube of 2x. And then 5 to the third power is 125. So I rewrite that as 5 cubed. So my A is 2x and my B is 5. So I have 2x minus 5. And then I have the square of 2x plus 2x times 5. And I have the square of 5. So I'm pretty much done. I just need to simplify my second factor. My first factor is 2x minus 5. And my second factor, when I square 2x, I get 4x squared. 2x times 5 is 10x. And 5 squared is 25. So this one we make it look more like 5. And that's good. All right, and then lastly, we have some division problems. The first problem, I'm dividing by a term that has x to the 1, and the coefficient of the x is also 1, so I can do a synthetic division. So I'm going to put the 0 of x minus 5 into the box. So if I set x minus 5 equal to 0, and I add 5, I get x equals 5, and 5 is the number that goes in the box. Then I put the coefficients, 1, negative 5, negative 2, 17, negative 30. So you bring the first number down, that goes below the line. And then 5 times 1 goes here, and negative 5 plus 5 goes here. 5 times 0 goes here, negative 2 plus 0. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10, add, and I get 7. 5 times 7 is 35, that goes here, and then you add and you get 5. So the 5 is your remainder, and then we need to interpret. If I start with x to the 4th and I divide by x to the 1, my first term is going to be 1x to the 3rd. Then I have no x squares. I have minus 2x plus 7, and I have a remainder of 5, which goes over the divisor, x minus 5. All right, the last problem, because I have a coefficient of 2 right here, I need to do long division. So I'm going to put the 2x plus 1 outside, and I have 2x to the 3rd plus 7x squared minus 5x minus 4. So I'm going to do the first part divided by the first part. So what you're thinking is 2x to the 3rd over 2x. The 2's cancel out, so I get just x squared. Next, I need to multiply x squared times 2x plus 1. So x squared times 2x is 2x to the 3rd. And x squared times 1 is x squared. And now I'm going to subtract. First terms cancel out. 7x squared minus x squared is 6x squared. Bring down the minus 5x. Okay, now you're thinking you're thinking 6x squared divided by 2x. That's going to give you 3x. So my 3x goes here. Multiply 3x times 2x, and I get 6x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. And you subtract. First terms cancel out. Negative 5x minus 3x is negative 8x. Bring down the minus 4. And now I'm going to think negative 8x divided by 2x. That's going to give me a negative 4, so it looks like this one's going to divide evenly. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. Negative 4 times 1 is minus 1. So when I subtract, I get a remainder of 0. So here's my quotient, x squared plus 3x minus 4. And we're going to go to a new video for the next page.